Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage. My name is Brian.
I'm Sophia.
And we're continuing work on the 1971 Honda CB350 Café inspired build. And we have a bunch of its parts laying up here on the table. We have the Airbox covers, the Airbox itself, levers, ignition covers, and gauges. And we're going to be refinishing all of these items with an assortment of Dupli-Color and VHT products.
So I know that you said we have a couple of different things going on here. We have our metals, we have our plastic. What kind of prep goes into, at least for the plastic parts, getting those ready to paint?
Yeah, so we are gonna go with some light sanding on these plastic pieces because you don't want to sand any plastic part with anything aggressive. You're gonna end up getting those scratches embedded into that plastic and it's very hard to smooth that back out. So we use the red scuff pad on those. And then for the metal pieces, we'll go with your typical 220 grit paper for that.
Okay, and then for the plastic pieces, we're going to use our multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner because it's water-based, right? So it's easy on plastic.
Correct.
And then we're going to use our regular prep spray, which is solvent-based and good for metal.
Yep, perfect for that. And then we'll finish the metal parts with the self-etch primer. The plastic parts we'll finish with the VHT plastic paint, direct to plastic, so we don't need any primer there.
Sounds good.
Let's get going.
All right. So we have everything sanded and ready to go. We have some parts hanging up back here. We're gonna give everything one more wipe down and then we're gonna start painting. So we're gonna start with our VHT high temp plastic paint for our plastic air covers, and then we're gonna move to Wrinkle Plus for these other parts over here.
All right, we have all the pieces finished up and they look really nice, don't they?
Yeah, I think that the matte black and then the Wrinkle Plus have a nice contrast to them, and the emblem looks great on that matte sheen.
Yeah, I agree. And you know what? The prep work was super easy because all we had to do was wipe them down. We didn't have any primer that we needed to apply because the high temp plastic paint is direct to plastic and the Wrinkle Plus is direct to metal. So things were super easy there as well. And we're also going to be protected from the road abrasion that motorcycles get when cruising down the road. And although VHT is designed for high temperature applications, these pieces really don't get all that hot. And we chose these finishes based on the overall bronze and black theme of the bike. And again, that Wrinkle Plus I think is going to go really well with other pieces on the bike as well.
And don't forget, when we're done with this and put the bike back together, you have a chance to win it. So follow along on our socials and check out our website for more information on how to enter.
And speaking of websites, if you want to find out more information about these products and more from VHT, visit vhtpaint.com.